Morning, or whatever time it is where you are. If you are the first time watch the channel there, please do subscribe. And now earlier thing too, if you have a company and you want to advertise, you want some people to advertise something, link with man. We do advertisement and we start it fresh. So we put your thing in the movie and make people know where your place there. Burn it down, watch a movie here. Then we think about the room.
Yeah, no. I want you to understand, yeah. Not because I'm kind, no. Not because money is so hard to find, no. I'm not a fool for no one. Not a fool for no one. Not because you're beautiful, not because every man is running you down, not because you're the hottest thing around the town, not because you make everybody heart drop. Still I'm not a fool. One day I'm gonna stop. You say you want this, I get you this. Then you want that, I get you that. Feel like I'm falling in a trouble. Mama grow me well. You hear me, Chantel? I'm not a fool for no one. Not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. Yeah, you caught me off guard when you take off your drawers. Yeah, I was trapped. Yeah, you do everything when I'm laying on my back. You eat me up, me putting your name in my bank account. And you spend it all out. And you spend it all out. And you spend it on a lot of different guys. All of them laughing under disguise. But I'm not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. I'm not a fool for no one. Chantel. If you don't change.
Mama.
Young baby, what going? You alright?
I want to talk to you.
You want to talk to me? I work for something good, you know?
I always something good. Anytime you come around, there's something good in the world. How are you?
I'm good to you.
Oh my God, so far so good, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, I give him thanks, you know, because I know you pray for me.
Oh, all the time, man. What the girl them treat you?
Well, you know, always great, you know. Can't complain.
That's
but
cool, that's cool.
It's not about the girls, it's about you.
What you want to talk to me about?
I think a time for you. I have a car for you.
Oh my God, this car here?
Yes.
Oh my God, Lord, thank you.
Yes.
I always pray. Son, me never tell you thank you, my darling. I love you so much.
You know me, I work hard for you. You know what I mean?
One of them love my boy so much, man. Thank you, baby.
All
So
right.
this is for me.
Yes, mama.
Yes,
So
man.
I enjoy it. I'm going to make sure you say you drive. Watch out for them people, you know.
Yeah,
and about
I
to
know.
drive for yourself.
I know, baby.
You understand? When you drive, you have to look out.
You always tell me that.
Right.
Yeah, you always
Caution
tell me
and something. Alright?
God bless you, my kid.
Yeah, man.
I'm
So-
good to me have you, you know?
What do you mean, man?
Whoa, I'm good to me have you, man.
Can't leave up my mother and more, you know, say, you know, like every time I think about them, I say, how you get by? Take all the dirty tax them and dirty people and the tax them and them something there, them frownsy and all them something there.
True.
You know,
Come
against
from
my
a long
mother.
way, you know.
Eh?
Come from a long way, man.
I tell you, man. So you're going to do, because my brother's supposed to come pick me up, you know. Alright?
Oh,
so just look on it, enjoy, you know. Come on, so go and check it out and thing.
Yeah, man. My God. And you keep her so clean, all the interior nice and everything.
Oh, I forget to tell you. Oh my God.
And another good news?
Have to be a good news.
Aye.
Listen to me.
Two good news now one day?
I have a property to give to you. You know what I mean? Because, you know, say, this is a place where you grow up in and all them, something you grow in. And for some reason, I feel like a time for you just, you know, evolve and, you know, spread your wings and, you know, build your own thing again. You know what I mean? Because this was as much memories that we and me, I give you a whole lot of trouble and them something there. You understand? We give you trouble, you know, so nobody feels so perfect. You know what I mean?
Remember them days, man?
I have to remember.
Oh, God. You give me lots of trouble, you know? Yeah. Jesus, I said I'm ready for God church. We are going to meeting. Me can't find you. Me don't know where you're there. Jesus, have mercy. Me there a ball. But I want to pass them always say, Mommy, pray. And God will cover your son. Nothing will happen to him.
So the property.
When come son come out so nice now.
You don't make it the property. God. I talk about pastor. The last week, remember when we growing back on them off, we all come in and bread and drink out the whole like juice. And when fall asleep for 1 whole 6 hours.
God, the wine drunk you.
Yeah, I say you go. But mama, enjoy yourself here.
Yes, my God. Love you too, my son. Love you too, my son. Love you too.
So later, here?
Later, babe.
Alright.
What may I tell you?
Me tell she call me down here and walk. Wash plate, make up bed, sleep out house, this.
I said, I'm glad the man come to you because you can't wash in panty and wash your body part.
Oh!
I tell people washing clothes, them I want to look. There's some big roll up panty roll. Oh, grandma, that's the big thing.
They must have been coffee. How you feel there, grandma?
Grandma, usually them big come on.
I know when they take them off all in the skirt, just in the roll up in the so. Eh? You not wash nothing.
Where you put me chair from? And don't you suckle for the time I can't send call on you? How will you suckle?
Check it, man.
Same time I know. Sit down, we want to talk to you.
That's not good.
No, go back tonight or not sleep.
Yes, we can bag and say.
I remember what I tell you, sir. You tell me that?
Yes, sir, if you come down, you have to spend all time with you. And I tell you, so we pack off that, spend time with you.
Time done.
Will you do anything for me?
So me I just sit down.
You like it? Look, look all inside, oh, nice. You like the inside, the interior is very nice. I'm a boy, give me. I mean, if we can drive. You don't say you can drive long time ago. For sure, no.
So you can for sure you can?
Yeah, the property went by me. You not glad for me? Alright, so you what happen now? You are in charge of the car. I know so sometimes I give my problem, especially when it get dark at night.
So we can share responsibility. You can take one drive car too.
I don't like when you drive.
What do you mean by when I come here for responsible for your car? Me a bigger one and me have my driver's license.
Hold on, man. Just wait now. You know, so after a certain time of the day, we can't drive. So, I will get a duplicate. I will give you the duplicate and I will keep the original. So if you're not here, like in the daytime, I go and go to the market or go to some market again. No, you're going to be in charge of the property. See the grocery store and everything that's in, you know. Listen, just listen to me and keep the mouth shut. Too much of your lip. Too much of your lip. Too much of your lip. You understand? Say, thank God may I give you a position for in charge. Because just stop that. Yeah. Not really anything you say, but you in charge. That's in case if anything happened to me. You know what to do, you know where to go, you know who to talk to. You understand me? If anything in the fire, you know the insurance company will talk to and the lawyer and everything. All the people I'm gonna show you everything. And for my car and everything and the payment and stuff like that. So that's agreed? That's okay?
Yeah man, that's good.
Yeah, me alright with it.
Alright, so no problem.
Yeah man, that's good.
Speak on the mind, you know. If something about on the talk, no.
That's good man.
Alright.
No cook.
Yeah, chicken in there. You don't say your grandmother love chicken. We never have no time to go get saltfish and hack and something. The Akichi top beer.
They put it in my lunch.
One. Share something for yourself. Juice in the fridge, some carrot juice. Disgusting.
Rock, paper, scissors, right? For one, drinks out of the shop.
Anybody who lose have to buy the juice. So make sure that cheap.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right. Ready?
After 3, 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
One.
Right? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'll do that. Wait, me not teeth. Alright.
Me not teeth. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
What my drinks? Mommy drinks too. Brandy and juice. The cream soda flavor. Chestnut juice. And cream soda, no one, the big one.
I see no more, man.
Where you want to go?
I'm going to the town. Go pay some bills and get some stuff.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on.
When we come back, Mr. Lord.
Oh, right. Yeah, right.
I have no idea. Okay, you're a king of mine. So 5 years.
It's supposed to be like that.
Go. Oh, yeah. Not a day, not a dollar, not a 50 cents, not a quarter. Alright, granddaughter. Listen, never you do that again. Because we inside, anybody could just come drive off the car, what would I do to them? Huh? Even though it's covered with insurance, but that's not the fact. You can't leave the key in the car, baby.
Alright, come on, next time. I threw my name in mind and I did this ramp run with Bob. You know, I'm a little brother, so I have to play.
You shocked for no say you left the key in the car. That's why you never know about your key there. But thought you left the things that in the road. Alright, that is that.
Alright, ready? Put on a seatbelt.
Come here, sit down on the damn seatbelt. This is the other one. Pour no water, me sit down. Alright, granddaughter.
So, Grandma, what make you want to come here, son?
Yeah, see the house up there, some man. I me the one tell you about. You see the building right up there, son?
Yeah, the one ahead.
The one ahead, right. So the workers them up there work and me have to carry money go give them for them pay, me owe them and plus they say they need more material. It's soon done. I just some windows and other things going. It's soon done. So
So this uncle gear as a property.
yes, I'm a bill upon it. Yes, I'm going to give him a bill upon it. And plus, the command when they have put them in the house. So you see it? Up the may I go. Huh?
Alright, a good answer then, because you can't know it can't go no further.
No, sir, the healing the can can't take my time and walk out.
Alright.
Oh, no problem. Alright, what you do? Go on up, anytime you're ready, make call about.
Alright.
Because I have to walk on and see what them do. Them say them reach half, so I have to see what's going on. So they now tell me no lie or general, traffic general.
Alright, when you're ready, I just call me and I'll come back for you.
Alright, make sure you answer your phone now, but I go fall asleep, come and know you.
No man, me
You're
always
scared.
know.
Alright, make a mechanic now. They call you, yeah? Alright.
So mama they no come back.
Mama tell me say I want to go to supermarket. Farm market and pay a bill, but you let her off down the road there, so down her property. Somebody say I was big boy. So she can't pay a workman or something. Anyways, drinks. I drink
So we get to juice.
alright, now I use the bathroom and come. So by the time we come back, we want the drinks. You can't take liquor.
Ladies, that's it.
I have to pay rough papers so that I don't have to.
You don't have to. Maybe I sleep no one.
No man. You never lie down little, yeah?
Alright, take it easy. Oh man. So good. Yo, which way you come pick up your thing right now, man, in my yard. Right now. Hurry up, brother. Let me know when you hide, you see? Calm, you know? Don't crash it.
No, no.
Alright, go ahead. Hello,
One.
where you depend?
That guy, you know. I carry you this year.
Yeah.
Yes, somebody tell me say you have a car and sell. How can I car?
You know, say I want to ask you, one silver one.
Axio. When you type Axio, you know, pretty girl Axio. Yeah, man, but like that idea. But send me a picture of it though. WhatsApp me a picture to that number, yeah. And send photo one, please. And if you're serious, because the price of this man tell him say I sell it for
Yeah.
tomorrow. But I want if you buy, you know.
Yeah, man. Me
Yeah, man,
serious,
so send the picture to me and let me see how you look and thing. And then tomorrow, bright and early, just WhatsApp me and tell me before you go there. What a man to go be here? Meet me a man to go be here near people at the theater there. What region them go there?
Alright then.
What?
Nothing there, just there and look out that space.
Why? Brother? Right now I'm tired. I didn't sleep last night, you know. I have a restless night.
Today I can't sleep because I said I just strange.
It's strange, it's true. All the car
And
key
then me there and
missing.
try to figure out how the car could have moved from this. Where the car could have there, how far the car could have reached.
Whatever this thing, I don't know how uncle that even put chuck up on the car, nothing. I don't understand. It just strange, me I tell you, it's
Imagine how
strange.
far the car could have reached, you know.
It just depends on my mind, man. I don't know who in the community could have take mama car.
Maybe it's mad that will come find our community too.
So how you that talk to on the phone?
This is a girl that father girl named Keisha. Search me on my ask me for money like she give me money. Yeah, my money is not that after me ask her for money.
Right now, man, look on the road, because I'm stressed. So you put different go on.
Yeah, man, I'm good now. Take care. Alright, but mama, guess what? You know, so still me have piece of money I come down for a fine tomorrow. Yeah, somebody has said money for me for a fine tomorrow. Remember you say you want money, man, you know, so you get money, man, you know, I'm rich, I have money, you know. Can't be the most expensive place you want to go. Anywhere you want to go, you can't go. Don't worry about that, man. I'm my money. Me I tell you, say tomorrow I'm going to pick up the money. I call you, give you some money for go to your nails, your hair, your lashes, your toe, everything you want to do. Tomorrow, man. Tomorrow, them time, man. Alright. Later.
Granddaughter, before me even say good night. Hey! Granddaughter! Jesus have mercy. What the car there? She there and the car not there. Wake up. You can't see the listen, man. Wake up, man. Wake up, bro. Oh, you asleep, sir. You tell us I'm going to call you. Oh, you asleep, sir, man? One thing, you have a headache?
My head hurt me. Bad.
You don't take none for it. You should take two kind of now. That's why you lay down. You never know they are not coming down.
What I know?
Listen, how we do the phone since I come here? 7 o'clock.
So
7
that's
o'clock.
a long night sleep.
Yeah. Before we go any further, where is the car?
The car park.
The car no out there. Why would I ask if the car not the driver? The car not dead.
Grandma, you play too much.
Me said the car. Well, look. Open the door and say this is the car out there.
Me not parking in the drive. I just ride.
Round the corner, me look round there to come and say most likely you park on there if you don't feel like coming to the driver. Because you come pick me up so you would have turn around. It's not here. Where key this?
Baba. Grandma, me don't understand what happened. Me come, me park the car right.
Come look. Come look. You can't say this is the car that I drive there. Or one on the side street. You always park. Car not there. Where's the key? Where's the key there?
Grandma. Listen. The last thing I remember, me and Bob sit down out there so. Me tell Bob say I want the drinks. Bob go for the drinks, me go use the bathroom, me come back, drink the drinks, and from that my head just hurt me. And me asleep from that.
So we are trying to tell us and put something in the drink and that you try to tell me and poison the drink or put it down.
Grandma, me don't know, me just wake up. Looking for you around there so.
What box is supposed to sit in your room? Baba! 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 Bob, wake up! Wake up! Wake up, wake up, wake up. Oh, Baba! All the two of them in here asleep and the car gone. Where's my car?
I'm here, give me.
It doesn't matter, but you are here till you can't look at my car.
Give me car, me tell her, give me.
Where's my car?
I don't know, I know somebody else.
Will you give her for drink?
Who? Then the juice that she want.
She said you give her something to drink and find that her head hurt and she fall asleep. What will you do? You drunk her?
Oh, for drunk car. I'm a drunk car, bro.
Me don't have no idea, me ask. So you have to explain to me.
No.
I'm
Me give her
asking.
the juice, she said she play rock, paper, scissors, me buy her the juice, me drink some, turn on my cup, come out to the two then we give her fear glass, me sit down and drink my juice.
Me can't understand the tone in the house and somebody come and drive the car out of the driveway or the side street and no know nothing about
She left the
it.
key out the door because she didn't have the key out the door with her. And she make people drive in the
Jesus
car.
Christ, what am I going to tell my son? Say?
Tell her, forgive me.
What am I going to tell my son, the brand new car the man just buy me? What am I going to tell him, sir? But if you tell him I buy another one, through carelessness, or the in here, and I'm not responsible and the car gone.
She,
But you are here too as a grown up.
me there run here.
You're not baby, you're not 10-year-old, you're a big man.
Me left her out there drink because she had drink.
Jesus God in heaven, what am I going to tell the young man, sir?
Tell her to go find.
It's like me never want it.
Well, I tell her to left it to me. You think I'm a reckless driver?
But you are.
I'm not.
You're not a good driver. You drive like a madman.
Well, she's not a good caretaker. Excuse me, I'm going to sleep here.
God in heaven, what am I going to do?
I am tired.
What am I going to do? Tia, where's my car?
La. Tia, where's mama car?
Tia, come in here. He said you have nothing to do because the one you sleep all the time.
You put something in your drink?
She's a friend that her head hurt. My face is drunk car.
No, I'm not drunk car for. I'm there and say, we can't. Yes, I'm not requesting. I'm put the camera and catch it.
Where you walk now? You walk. Nobody can finish what we call a war. A World War II.
War between
World War III between the three of you know.
Grandma.
Nobody now live here in peace. Nobody now gonna have no peace and not sleep in peace until my car pop right back into that driveway or the side street of where I always park.
Grandma carry.
Bobby, you know
When you
can't
get boyfriend,
even-
I get boyfriend.
Grandma, believe me. Me normally sleep in my
Me feel say you get something. Me feel say you put something in it, you know.
Yeah, give me-
Me feel say you put something in the bag. Bob, what you put in there?
You don't put nothing
What you
in
pop in her dreams that she sleeps on her head start at her?
Wait,
When she dropped me up the ceiling, she perky. She never not have no headache.
Driving tired.
But me not trust you, you know. You are some little dirty way just like your uncle and I pick them back at the truth. A son used to get trouble.
I don't know anything.
Well, we'll figure get them tea bottle like
You are
this.
going to
Come
get
now,
them about
Baba.
this grandmother.
Jesus Christ, we can't believe the brand new car. Not even no money. Man, give it to
I
God.
will find you man.
Nobody
I
can
forget them tea bottle
You
like
don't
this.
get
So
no
what you
tweet.
saying?
One. Last year, I'm telling you. Sure. Oh my God. Oh God. Yo. Hello. Which part you there? Going on maybe over a movie theater with that. A whole pass somebody want to carry for buying us, so first come, my first serve, so I have to hurry up, you know. Have Mr. Somebody else wanting me to sell it. Hurry up, man.
Boy, sir. At the same price when I discussed on the phone.
Everything in the papers, documents, everything.
The key in there.
Everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it. Check it, man. I Yo, me get the car, you know. Yeah, man. Yo, you see how it's all on a doubt. Doubtful. Thomas never reached in life yet, you know. Well, I tell you, yes, me not say no wrong, you know. Some of the people are scammer, but the youth come through. Everything there, paperwork there, and me get the car key and everything. So me know say everything straightforward. Alright. Yo, right now, me not touch my side if you know, you know. I drive straight through. Right now, look like only one problem. The car look like it have no gas in it. So I go try go to a gas station, throw some gas in it and see what I go on. But me gonna get a drive out and sit down doubtful. Anyway, I'm there on the road. I try to get my license, but you know, the license for drive car doesn't know for drive. All the on work. So my car work. So I go on now. Give me the road. some girl and say, oh, you're sexy, so. All wiper. Okay, but shit pan the car, they must go get some money back today. That's one car like it there pass too. Alright. Now walk. Alright. So run out, so yes, it takes to the gas station. Yeah, man.
I'm gonna try. Nothing. Why? I need to talk to you about your car, cause it depends on my brain. Let me tell you, it depends on my brain.
Well, it has to depend on your brand because it's an expensive car and it's a nice brand. And, you know, it's something I always want. And forget the car and it just gone like that. I want to know who take it, I want to know where the car is. I mean, it's, you know, it's mind-boggling. It is. I don't know if it's the car.
Alright, so I'm really come to you to talk to you about now. Is that me about a mother woman?
Mother woman.
Yes.
Where?
One mother woman right down the road.
Don't want their thief.
I don't know thief
She
man.
don't know one with it. So we don't go to church and I'm going to make them pray for you.
Listen now man. Me I go the mother woman to go find out who take the car because I know I don't mean no. So me want to tell the mother woman say see whosoever take the car, whosoever thief the car, me no want she kill him or nothing, you know, or kill she, you know. Just make them they walk and I say car and confess. See them take a car. Me believe in it.
Them people, if them know so much, how comes them not rich? If them can see so much and know things and can interpret things, how comes them not rich?
Well, I say go.
Number
They
one, you don't charge for God gift. People have gifts that they're born with, gifts that God showed them things, but you're not supposed to sell it. It's free as can be.
Well, Mama,
I don't believe in it. If you want to go, fine, but me not going with you. I'm not going with you. I'm not. All I know, the car was in your position. You say you parked the car and the car disappeared. Whatever you want to do, fine, but I don't believe in those garbage, so it's up to you. All I know, I want about my car. I want about my car.
All I have to tell you is me just feel say a Bob thief the car.
Well,
nobody can tell me say only God himself can come down from earth and tell me say I'm about to take it. It's too coincidental.
Honestly speaking, I don't trust Bob. It's sad to say, I don't trust him. I never seen him take it, but deep in my heart, I see Bob take the car too. Nobody steal that car because everybody on this block, me never hear nobody complain and say them lose this or nobody breaking in the house. Bob take it. It's just because I just never seen him red-handed. You understand? But I take it.
As me tell you,
I take it.
me gonna go down to the mother woman and I gonna fix whosoever thief the car business.
I wish you all the best. I wish you good luck.
Yeah,
Wish you good luck.
that's so come.
Okay, my dear, walk good. May the good Lord go with you and keep you and watch over you. Oh, mother woman. Mother woman, my box said.
Bob, wake up, man. I come to talk to you. Zin, call it say 1 week now, Mama car missing. Right? And I know nothing now be done, police now do nothing about it. No justice, nothing, we don't know who take it. Right? So me, I will take up matters in my own hands. And me, I will try to find out who So me come to you now as a big sister to contact your Bob. Who thief mama car?
I don't know who thief mama car. I'm mama car. I mama. I don't know who thief mama car. I said to God, for my life. Sweep on your life, sweep on God's life.
Hello, the blood of Jesus, sweep on for life. No sweep on my life. No sweep on my life. Bob, you know say you take care now.
I know me.
I know you. I hear what, Bob. Me don't know long talking no more. Because guess what? And me they get this shitty end. Listen what me say now. And me they get this shitty end of the stick because I'm me mama left the car with. So here what? I want to come matters in my own hand and me I will get down to the nitty gritty and me go find out at who. So don't tell me say you. Cause I know you.
I don't know.
I know you.
No.
Alright.
We can't try.
Man, you can't drive. We're gonna find out at who. Hello?
Enter.
Can I sit?
I know who thief your grandmother car.
Yes.
The answer is right in front of you, but it's gonna cost you.
Like how much, sir?
Just a small $5,000. Alright. Your brother? How did you even know your brother? I want short guy.
No what?
Your brother.
As in my brother, my blood brother.
Your brother. Where palm? I still want palm. On the day that the car was stolen, your brother put drugs in your drink for you fall asleep. And then he stole and thief the car. Your brother.
What a wicked bitch. Wake up, man, wake up. You don't know you will sleep, so get up. Bob. You say I know me can't believe you. Bob, what make you do it? You think me don't know say you thief your car, Bob? And on top of that, you thief your car. The day when me out the sun, me carry mama go down at the house down so. And me come back and me buy you get the drinks from you. You drugs me.
How for drugs you may drink the same juice? The same juice may drink.
Bob.
The toy drop asleep the same time.
Bob, it 12 up asleep the same time. So you tell me say at the factory we make the drinks. Sitting in a.
I factory fault and my part.
I say God was senior for your lying tongue.
You see me carry car there, you see me money, spend money, you see me still poor. When you sell the car and you reach by now, man.
Baba, you thief the car. You are one next boy and you sell it.
So where were you?
Me don't know where money they know, but me I go find out where they. Me I go find out where they can guess her. Bob, me go want over your woman.
Good luck, man.
And the other woman tell me say you thief the car.
Sure, them the something there. Better over here don't read. Eh? Fake as scam and get say better go back for your money. Them the something there no read. Have TV you watch them pan. Them no read. So you say you want to come to the bus, come to the bus.
So oh, so Obi not real. You not real. The mother woman not real.
She real, but no, a scam. You can't even see nobody do magic.
You know?
Man, come on.
Are you
room?
Me say, where money where you sell the car for? Where they?
I feel the car. Where you so upset about the car? Man can't get no like. Man, go on.
Me say, just by the way, oh yeah, God, you just sound guilty.
I want to sleep. You come in and start chat about furniture. I don't know about car, this, car, that. What car? So you're obsessed about car. You're not so selfish. So, what can you do?
Bob, me need you to confess and tell the truth. Talk the truth, say you.
Man, me no have no car, me no have no money, me no sell no car, me no sell no car, me no touch no car, me no drugs nobody. Go on.
Sorry.
Once you are the man, them can't come up on the
Bob! Wake up. We have to talk. Want my car? Want my car? Are you have my car? Are you selling my car?
Who me sell a car to?
Me don't know. Only if you know that.
I can't drive.
How you mean you can't drive?
They tell me say you not give me a car, so how me end up buying a car?
Because you don't drive careful. You drive like a madman. Your sister drive better here, that's why I give her the spare key. Want my car?
Don't let you forget to your car.
Are you a thief? You should park there. Are you a thief? Want my car? If you don't give me car, no peace never in you.
Well, no
It's going to be World War II.
No peace never in you, because I'm not telling a lie by myself. If you sell a car, where money them? Would I rich by now?
I don't know what you do. I must take it, drink it out, crack it out, smoke it out. I don't know what you do. But listen, we live in this area for how much years, and we never hear none of my neighbors they say they miss anything or anybody breaking them house or them part them car, somebody damage them car. Never.
So I'm a thief, yeah?
Are you the thief? Yeah, the protector. Give me my car. I come to the person who you sell my car to, so I can talk to them about it and we can see if we can do something about it.
No, no car.
You want my car? Well, I tell the friend no peace now in here. No peace now in here.
No, good.
May you bump head every day we bump head, and that makes sense we keep on a bump head. Give me car.
Woman, you say, you don't know your car there. You look for your car, you don't sell your car to nobody, you don't move your car from that parking lot, you ask your granddaughter where your car there.
Bob, your sister go somewhere. I don't know how to tell her about the woman, but the woman good. As soon as she walk through the woman start tell her everything.
A thief.
How the hell the woman would know?
A thief.
Well, whether she a thief, yes or no, she know what she talking about.
Obia is not real. Guzu is not real. No, Obia woman is not. No, Obia
Well,
woman
as I say, whether it's real, yes or no, or
no,
maybe so.
Can Sissy are going to get robbed. Sissy no nonsense.
You see, you're arguing me now. You see, you don't know what went through my mind right now. You don't know.
Turn on, see, turn on.
You're living on the edge right now.
It's
I'm going to
your
take
granddaughter Google.
If you take something and give you one big lick in your head, knock you out.
Come
Give
on.
me
You
car.
have your car, me say.
Give me my car.
Come take it.
Alright.
Come here, come take it.
You see. Watch.
Uno come something them and beauty sleep, you know.
Keep playing with me. Keep playing. Keep playing. You're going to see the truth me. Watch. Give me until tomorrow, you're going to see the
Sure,
truth.
you can see my food, go and give me a day after that.
You what food?
Yeah.
You buying no food in there?
No,
You work on buying no food, you provide no food in there for me? Huh? And you have to provide for me.
I say, I hope you find a car. You understand? Because I don't have a car, I don't know where your car is. I
don't talk. Me don't talk. Talk not more to say.
We don't talk.
I know what I do. Alright.
I don't know if I can do this to me. I want him confess to me and mama. I want him to walk on the road and just say car.
Alright, here what I need. I need a shirt. See if you can come back with a shirt for him. You start running up and down shirtless. And stop talk about car. You always want to drive.
Alright.
Get me a shirt or a channel here.
The shirt will be easier.
I remember it will cost you everything have a
Don't
price.
worry yourself about the money. What time you close?
24/7.
Alright, I soon come. Hello.
Hello.
See you again.
Are you sure of these shirts?
Yes, I'm sure I feel it.
You must confess. You must confess. Kiar. Confess. Alright, so you care about the shirt. But make sure you wear it. And as you put on it, you hear everything. Young lady, not a word.
Boy, the AC broke down, you know? I mean, I have no money to fix it. But a long time I have it still, so maybe I need to get a new one now. So I left I use cardboard and fan. So what's up with you?
Nothing, just there.
So did you go to the place? So you say no go?
Yes, me go to the place.
About to
So, Mama, as me walk through the door, listen up. As me walk through the door, me only hear the woman, before me even say nothing, me only hear the woman say, the reason I can come here, your brother thief for a car. Nearly most me run out, left the woman the way me friend. Me not tell the woman nothing, you know. I don't tell the woman not even a ounce of the business. And the man could have told me to my brother take the car.
Listen, man, a lot of people get a gift from God, but you know what? Them use it in the wrong way. You understand? People out there have gift for can see things and hear things, you know. But it's just that them not using it in the right way because them not in the house of God, them not baptized and not serve God. You understand? But me just can't believe them. Me just can't put my trust in them. But me know from the car gone for you tell me say you park the car in the driveway and the car missing. Me say yes,
you know, say Mama Jai, the lady could have even tell me say, Bob, put something in my drinks.
The thief my car and drunk you.
Mama Jai, me I tell her say, me drink the drinks after me drink the drinks, me just have a sudden headache. Like me just start get dizzy.
In drugs, yeah.
And then when we wake up back here, me say, come on, man.
The boy they want thief, man. The thief just like I said, grandfather the thief. Yeah? Man, his grandfather was a big pata cat. The man was the biggest pata cat.
Mama Jai, and Tia, I say,
What happened?
I say, your brother the panning road. About the car. I don't know who my brother, but your brother the panning road car all over in my town. Car. I don't know what mean, but your brother down there. Car.
I confess him, I confess.
Confess what?
The boy thief my car. I him thief my car. You know about it? What the fuck me think you about it? Let me know.
Which part you know? Come on the show.
Me not go with you now. You come out there. Me forget that boy tough love. I ain't going.
Bob! Are you really cheap? Brother! Stop, brother! Bob! Stop now! Take off! Very hot. Where you get that money from? Where now?
You know say I feel money we all time you don't see money man throw money them for.
Take them up for me, please.
Yeah, take them up for you.
Bob, where you getting money?
You know how you say get the money car.
Bob! Listen and talk to me, brother. Brother, listen to me now, man. Hello. Done. Hey. Remember say, other day I come to you and I talk to you, you know. And I ask you for you, and you say that you and I tell us to me I go up your man. Go find out who do it and I really you thief from my car. Take off.
Hey, the blood of Jesus. Let it go.
Bob. Get up. Give up your money. Can't believe it. Mama.
Hold him back.
Where's the mama?
Hold him.
Mama, wait, little man. Watch out.
What's the time watch?
Wait, you know the rope.
The rope under the sink in the kitchen. Look in the kitchen.
Nobody can get away now.
Now looking at One for the rope.
Car!
You see?
Car!
Me never raise it for thief. You see? You see what happened to you?
Car!
You see what happened to you? No, you're ball off the car.
You don't even know if it
Eh? Can you not listen? Your head too tough.
Car!
Car my backside.
What's up?
Me not thinking about we have to time up because we have been in no show over camp got some hospital.
Car!
Some place.
Me can't go no hospital.
1 minute.
This bigger than hospital. The same place when me carry.
Give me that side.
Car!
Talking backside, I'm not loose. Listen, you got a woman? You're going to the mother
Let's
baby?
go fear.
One fear.
I share alone can't hear it. This me go see my show palm my friend on
The money when you thief the car, it's like some of the money that when you sell the car.
Jesus.
You come there and the AC mash up the car.
Yeah.
AC. And this boy thief the car and go sell it for the car now.
Control him.
One uncle.
Mother. Good night. Sorry if I come to you so late. But me need your help. Please.
You don't know a routine to go past you. I don't really do them something here, I'm gonna turn back things. Because
Every
of you.
time I tell you come here, you know. Alright, never mind.
You see this
So don't look like blood, sir.
Just give him this here for drink.
So me give me for drink everything I got alright?
Everything good.
Alright, thanks, sir. Thanks. Mama.
Where you get?
Why will you mix up so
Give that for drink. We bring back in together. Before me raise the boy, the boy will tell me, oh, you can't thief your mama. You're not supposed to thief. Not nobody thieves at all. You don't thief. We never raise it for thief. That calm me here. Yeah, I'm check kind of calm down. I'm checking see if you have a fever. You don't have a fever. Bob, what happened to you? Huh?
I will.
You done the block like a jackass upon car.
You alright?
Yeah.
Your sister have to come get you done, they take money. Where you get money from? They he show up money.
Bob. Come on now, man. We know. We know. Me know say you sell mama car.
What money you talk about?
You sell mama car, Bob. When me get a wicked son, that is an evil act, Bob.
Give me the car, drive the car.
You know son bad mind. That is
But
like
Bob.
a red eye.
But Bob, that give you the profit to sell the car? Eh?
Give me the drive.
But Bob, you're not supposed to do that. You can't live here no more, you know? You have to come out. You can't live here because I can't trust you. And then you go sell the car for the car. You know what, just your brother pay for the car? Millions and millions. That's not even 10,000 gold. Bob, you can't live there. You sell the car and put your sister in a big trouble and we are wondering where the car there.
Sorry. But you want to reach like.
That's why the woman will be your backside.
Party with the girl, but nobody like me. Party with my girl. You woman who is it? You want?
Me never say nothing.
Listen what me I say now.
Me not say a thing.
Bob. Listen what me I say. You see you there now, we there for a while. We can't trust you. We can't go put on nothing.
You know how to do it again.
You know what I mean?
That's what you say I know.
You know how to do it again.
That's what you say I know. And you want us to believe you. I can't believe you. I can't trust you no more. I say your grandfather did the teeth. God bless him and keep him. Your grandfather was a big pata cat. Sticky finger.
You can't stay here.
No, you have to find somewhere and go. Can't trust you. You gotta go, babe. I'm sorry. You gotta go. If you can't thief from your mother, who else you want to thief from?
We can't
Thief
do
from your
this. We
own
can't
woman.
do this. We stress out.
No, you gotta go.
Sorry, I said on the car, you know.
You have to go. You don't know where you go, but you have to find somewhere. Who do you sell the car to?
No, I'm just
You know the backside you must sell something to somebody, I don't know who you sell it to. That sounds stupid, it sounds dumb. It sounds like somebody retarded and have a mental issue. But you don't know who you sell the car to.
No, I'm just selling it to a man.
So we are trying to tell you don't know the man, but you sell it to a man. That's what you're trying to say.
No, man.
You don't know him, say no personally, but you sell him, right? It's a man you sell the car to. Well, but me sorry, with that woman, man, picnic, girl, boy, you don't care who you sell it to. You have to come out, you can't turn in here. Pack your bag and come out of my house. See how my AC now work and I can't even fix it.
Outside. Again, you don't watch the movie, you don't eat my breakfast already, but you want to talk to us as people. I've been reaching out asking for donation, realizing no donation now come the whole place dry up. And on me, and what we see are coming now come. But still, we still have to do work. Because people go proud when they reach the party reach, but enough people don't want to contribute to make the reach party reach. And there can be no excuses of what's going on. Because what's going on no stop us from do what we are doing. Yes, you have scammers, you have all different sorts of people out in the world. That no stop the people them who doing good for do what they have to do. You know what I mean? When a donation come to JAMMIWOOD, you see the movie them cost more than what we have. The more donation, the more movie can produce. So, because on a daily basis, if you have over 8 to 10 people around you and you have to provide food and them things there, it go cost you. You know what I mean? And you can't buy everything for them because each person can spend over $5 grand per day or more because Jamaica is very expensive. So we're not talking about them big money there. We are talking about just the normal thing them to make it survive, make it look comfortable. You see rent the place here, bag of things, a whole heap of work. You understand? So you take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? So what me I look into now, me I try to drop into advertising then. So for instance, if we could advertise some things to some people now, would I will get paid for that could help shoot movie because my motive is to get movie to the location where it needs to be in Jamaica right now. You know, they know where yet. When I walk into none of the institution them and say movie in Jamaica, the people them laugh. Yeah man, check any one of them laugh because they don't recognize the talent of Jamaicans until they reach somewhere. Make you reach overseas now, the same institution them is gonna be proud and kin up them face when I rate you know. Tell them for now. Because if you don't build the people them, you not kill the people them. You can't fool me. News bug. I want to go on, sir. Come tell me what I go on. Look on the bug there fly around. That's some news, you know. But anyway, gone. You know, gone is still a come back around. Video them people them stand lie me and tell. Come and tell lie now. Video make you see the news bug. Jamaican news bug. Fly around. Yeah, see him there? See him there? See him there? So you can't see him. You can't see him?
They see him, man.
We might try to deliver one news, but we don't know how we might deliver say. But anyway, I'm going to fly around. I know TVJ News or CVM. Because they don't really care about it, so we can't talk about them much. You know what I mean? Until we reach somewhere in life, those stations will recognize us. What kind of news that I like the news bug of fish picture on, you know? How I go on? Mama Chai, are you the news bug that come to? A good news or bad news?
Yeah, if a bad news go.
Come.
If a good news stay, if a bad news
Don't tell me what you
go.
have to say, because I don't know. Because they must say I carry news better than anything else, you know. Alright, let's go. Back to nature. So me I say now, if you have a company, you have something where you want people to reach out to, because we have a lot of people watching in the diaspora. You know what I mean? Watching anywhere in the world, them a watch. You understand? No matter what kind of business you have, where you want to advertise, contact me. My number on the screen. And we set up a deal or we make a deal, we set a price because you know it's expensive to buy flour and rice. So we have to make up our money to do what we have to do because we are trying to get it done. You know what I mean? We're not rob and thief and kill or scam. we're doing some work trying to get moving this up off the ground. Nobody not see it yet. But I see the vision. You know what I mean? In my vision. So I just have to get it to there. You understand? So that's just my thing I try to say in the last half. All I sponsor them, we don't see them again. Everybody gone and everybody we don't know what the problem. But big up on yourself still because we don't help and not them the time there. But now we don't want some new, want some true word. Bless you, man. Bless you. Bless you again. Stop now, man. You know I've got for already. We say bless you already, mama. You can't hold the whole life. You already. You good still. Yeah, man. So anyway, we there you go and hold it off still. You know what I mean? Can you take what you take and go do what you do? So we try to rush a movie and get it to you. Papa have the next movie, so we're releasing a week. Yeah? So let's be at work. We're trying to put in the work. We're trying to do some different little things, but in the brain we have some thing I work on, but it soon come to light. We're not talk. Alright, so burn it down to the ground. Enough respect. Thanks for supporting, thanks for watching from that time till this time. You know what I mean? Take what you take and go do what you do. Alright? Enough love. All the time. Burn down. Big up on yourself. All right, sponsor them, producer them from that time till this time. Big up on yourself. Want some new sponsor? You know, reach out, man. Every make a muckle. We need to get the thing up and running. You know what I mean? Bad people are team up, good people team up. Alright? Nothing shall come between us. Let's go.